Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a call through Instagram Messenger. Hello guys, welcome back to a random tech YouTube channel. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically here what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. First of all, go to Google Play Store on your device, or if you're using iOS, go to App Store and then search for Instagram. Okay, so after searching for Instagram, make sure to update your Instagram application, as I have already updated the latest version. Let me just open my Instagram and let me just show you how you can make a call to someone on Instagram. So let me just open this, and then this is my official Instagram account. And then what you need to do, let me just go to the section of message section on the top right corner on the message section, and then here you can see I have this type of interface. So let me just click on one of the particular person. So let me just click here, and here you can see this is my friend. So if I want to call this, you just need to click on this call icon on the top. You can see here this is the one, so you have to tap here, and then you can see it's contacting. So just let me just end it for right now. So this is how you can make a call, and thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.